I got a box of goodies in the mail. Ooh. You guys want to see what's inside? I do. Let's open it up. What can it be? What can it be? My neighbor brought it over and he's like, I have presents. And I was like, sweet. I was freaking out. OMG, OMG, I said. Ooh. Titanfall controller. Wow. Oh. Oh. It's like even fancy sealed. These are refurbished though, so they're not brand new. You did do a pretty nice job of packaging them up again. I don't even want to open it. There, this one. Now, where'd I put that razor blade? Uh-oh. I got these ones because I think that they look like BB-8. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Yeah, no tags on the back or nothing, so. Don't know the model number. But it should work with some of the mods that I have coming. Ooh, that one's fancy. Apparently this one, it says they come with game codes, but I'm not expecting them to be there. Look at that one. Oh yeah, that is a nice looking controller. Oh, little smiley face. Well, that's today's surprise. Just figured I would let you see it. Here. Ooh, it's a beautiful thing. Stack of controllers. Wow.